Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a makeup and hair tutorial slash kind of a get ready with me. Using some products from Walmart, hair products from Walmart, as well as 2 eyeshadow palettes from Too Faced, these 2. If you're new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do makeup, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos, also luxury videos on a second channel. Link to that down in the description bar. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again and staying subscribed and watching my videos. If you're new, hopefully you'll stick around and subscribe so you don't miss anything I post. So basically, sorry, I just zoned. Basically, I used a bunch of Walmart hair products from Camille Rose and Miel. I used 5 products in total, all from those brands, and then the 2 eyeshadow palettes from Too Faced. So without further ado, if you'd like to see the look, keep watching. So I started off with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I was thinking at first I didn't want to film this, but I changed my mind last minute. I'm gonna film it. Also ignore my hair. It's freshly washed. I've not combed it, put any type of product on it, so don't come for me because of how my hair looks, okay? So today I'm gonna be mixing 2 palettes together, both from Too Faced, the Light My Fire palette and also the That's My Jam palette. These are so adorable. I'm gonna start with this one, and I first started with this matte purple here, which is called, I forgot their name, Grape Soda, this color here. And I'm taking that into my crease. For the brow highlight, I'm gonna take the Light My Fire palette this time, because this palette does have a highlighter. And I'm taking the shade called Munchies. It's this matte color here. Going back into the crease with that purple. Kind of has a grayish hue when you mix those colors together. For the lid, I'm going back to the That's My Jam palette. I know I'm moving back and forth, but it's kind of point. That's what I'm doing. I'm taking this color called Jam Session here and a flat brush. For the outer V, I'm going to take this brown from the Light My Fire palette. This one is called Smokin', this color right here, with a more tapered brush. I'm going back with that purple just to blend out the edges. In the inner tear duct area now, I'm taking this bright yellow. This is called Cheese Whiz from the Light My Fire palette. Another flat brush. This is going in my tear duct slash inner corner. You can see it's kind of like a washed out yellow. I know I'm not 100% on board for that. I'm gonna pack it on more to make it more intense. You could have also taken it over a yellow base or white. I didn't realize it would be like this, but it's okay. We'll just work more with it. And then I'm gonna clean this brush off actually. The blending brush I use for the crease, and just lightly go around it. There we go. I'm gonna pack on one more time because I'm OCD. It is buildable, as you can see, which is always good. Good for more people in my opinion, because I feel like more people will be gravitated towards this yellow if they know it's wearable. And then the people that really like color as well will like it because you can pack it on. For liner, I'm gonna take some new eyeliners I got from AlterEgo London, which I'm so excited to try. I've heard of this brand since I first started on YouTube, and I've never tried anything from them. And I think I saw them when I went to London, like no joke. I forgot what store it was. It wasn't Walgreens. I don't think they have Walgreens over there. Some drugstore they have over there. I can't think of the name of it. I don't know if I don't think it was Marks and Spencer or anything like that. Anyway, one of those stores had these, and I spent so much stuff, so much money on designer items. I didn't want to spend anything else, and I've been regretting it. And I'm glad I finally got my hands on these. And y'all remember in a past video I mentioned really wanting a black liquid liner or a brown liquid liner. I finally have one. They sent me one. I'm so stoked. This is the Black Magic Cocoa Edit Liquid Eyeliner in Brown Brune. Of course, that's the box. Let me show you the packaging. So excited to finally have a brown one. So this is gonna be my liner. You could definitely use black if you want, but I'm gonna use brown, I think. I've been doing thicker liner lately. I don't know why, I just like it. Also with this, I recommend shaking it. That's how you're gonna get it extremely dark and crisp, like I have mine. It's really dark, I really like this. Shake it again and do the other side. I've never got my liner this perfect. It'll be cleaned up more once I put on other stuff. Okay, they also sent me this mascara. I don't think I'm gonna use brown mascara because I want my lashes to be super defined. And I always do black. I know that's boring. I am going to, however, take this Black Magic Cocoa Edit pencil eyeliner, round broom too, so complementing color. I'm gonna take this in my tight line up top. It's a twist up, that's cool, always cool. I'm gonna use a new mascara this time. I believe it's been 2 months. I've been doing 2 months, especially when I have irritated eyes like I do now. And this formula is kind of like drying up. I'm not gonna continue extending it. I have so much mascara to wear. Literally, I can switch it out every month if I want it. But I'm not gonna do that because that's wasteful. So I think I used this one already. This is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal because I'm black. Gonna go ahead and let this use up. Yeah, this one's still nice and moist. So this one is really, it's still good. I'm only doing the top for now to prep for lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on. They're already out of their case. They look like this. So gorgeous and wispy. Some of my favorites. I got them from Amazon. I really shouldn't have left them out on the counter. That is why I have blepharitis. These are the 3D 535s from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. It's not funny, but it's funny. I feel terrible for laughing. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. You just got me. I absolutely love these lashes. Trying to make sure no dust got on these. It's so embarrassing. I really should put these back in the case. And I've worn these so many times, y'all. So many times. They last forever. They are real mink, but the type of mink they use for these are the mink that naturally falls off the animal. So it's not plucked from the animal to get these or to get the hair. I would never buy anything like that. They send them to me, that's a different story, you know, and I'm not judging anybody that does. I'm not a hardcore vegan or anything like that. And there's also nothing wrong with that either. Just to throw that out there. Because I do respect vegans a lot. They do a lot more than I do. I'm vegetarian because I like cheese and queso and stuff like that. And eggs. I know this is random, but gonna let it dry a little bit before I put liner or whatever on top. Gonna do my face. Again, please don't look at my hair. I mean, it doesn't look bad. See, I don't have any product on it. Maybe I should throw it out today. We'll see. I'm mixing my two usual foundations. The Circle Color Balance Liquid Foundation. I can't wait till I can stop doing this. With the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Y'all know the story behind it. This is too dark. This is too light. I should probably tell them that this is not my color so they don't send me a dark one again. But, you know, I always forget because my skin color keeps changing. Like, I don't know. I'll do 3 pumps of this. Ooh, that's probably too much. We'll see. Do I have a foundation brush in here? I thought I did. That's not one. Oh, here's a foundation brush. I got this from Target. I saw it on a random little spree. Went to get Tyson some dog food. Because sometimes I get him fresh pet if I run out of his food. Because I do order his food delivery from the Former's dog. But I was in there getting some fresh pet and I randomly, of course, went to the makeup section to see what they had. And I like these brushes. You know, I've heard about Sonia Kashuk for years. I don't think I've actually used them. Maybe years ago I did. But I saw that they had these brushes. High quality, by the way. And they had this plastic cap on them. That's super convenient to travel with. Anyway, I'm sorry. It just pops off and it keeps your brush in the shape too. Anyway, this is one of their foundation brushes. I'm not sure which one. It just says foundation, but this is what it looks like in case you go to Target and you just want to see which one I have. I'm gonna stir this on the back of my hand. Stir it like a pot. Skirt, skirt, JK. I'm taking this. Okay, I think that's a good color. Oh no. I'll go over it with the lighter if it's too dark. Oh, it's too dark. Oh gosh. When I can stop mixing this, I'll be good. Or I can move on to another foundation. Oh my god, it's way too dark. Now y'all see why I have to mix it. But I find that sometimes I don't mix enough and I'm too light. Because the other foundation is really light. Maybe I should just retire these 2 foundations. What do y'all think? Should I just move on? My problem is I don't like waste. And it'll be totally wasteful if I just throw these 2 away. They're not old or anything, you know. Going close to my eye makeup here. I do like the point on the foundation brush because I can sharpen up. Okay, now it's looking better. I can sharpen up my eyeliner. And also, I don't hit my hair as easily because y'all know I always get foundation in my hair. It never fails. Oh, I promise that's not a hickey. Somehow I get irritated on my skin. Maybe it was I'm married, okay? Relax. I'm taking some concealer. I'm trying to empty this out. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer Medium Dark 38. I'm not gonna do my forehead because I always look ashy when I do it. I'm gonna pull it down. This is why I did not do mascara on the bottom yet. If you hear somebody snoring in the background, it's not a person, it's Tyson. And if y'all don't know who Tyson is, that is our Shih Tzu, Yorkshire Terrier, Shorky Zoo, or Shorky Zoo, however you want to say it. Alright, I'm gonna avoid the brightener today. I'm just gonna buff out the edges with my foundation brush. The problem is when I film with a ring light, sometimes I look ashy. I'm not filming with a ring light now, but I do my luxury videos with a ring light, and it looks like my foundation is like the wrong shade, but I promise it's not. I'm gonna take the excess and go on my forehead just for a little brightener. I don't know, it just creates flashback, which I don't really like. Although I'm not using a brightener, I am gonna use a brightening powder underneath. This is the MAC Medium Plus Mineralized Skin Finish. Almost dropped my foundation. That would have been bad. I would have finally thrown it away. So maybe it wouldn't have. I'm taking my NYX HD finishing powder for everywhere else. Basically blending into everywhere else that doesn't have powder. I go over my eyebrows too, because for some reason, they're always kind of shiny. I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara to the bottom. I already put it up by accident. Don't know why I did that. The same Fenty Beauty mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze. This is the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty. Do I want to do that first? No. I'm gonna take powder highlight first. This is Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. I always use this, y'all know. Beautiful. Sorry for the sun in my face. Where's that coming from? Yep, it was reflecting from the mirror. Okay, I'm basically done with highlighter. I don't really put any down here, but you can if you want. I'm taking my bronzer now, the Cocoa Naughty by Fenty Beauty. Their Sunstalker bronzer. I had a second Fenty Beauty. Oh, I see it. This is the Fenty Beauty bronzer brush, the 190. Freaking amazing. Maybe it's the problem. I can never push my hair back because it's always styled. And that's why I get product in my hair. Y'all know I like to pile this on. I'm gonna go back with that powder brush that I used to set everything. I'm not gonna use my foundation brush because I set my face with powder already. Now it's just destroy everything. Mixing textures like that. I still think I like the other bronzer better, but we do it. I'm gonna take some blush, Face Front Chica blush in Buenos Aires. I know you guys are tired of this, but oh well. I wanna use it today again. Just use this. It's a cheap old blush brush. This is only going on the apples of my cheeks. It's gonna help blend the bronzer out slightly too. Just add some color back to my cheeks. Gonna go back with that fan brush. You might need to add more highlighter. You know I am. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Montenegro. That's it for the makeup. Now, I'm gonna do my face. Oh my god, that is my face. We're gonna do my hair, Amit, because I gotta do something. I think I'm gonna leave it fro-ish. Need to stop stressing my edges with rubber bands all the time and let my hair rest. So I'm gonna start with a wet base. This part is gonna be a voiceover. I'm just gonna show and list the products that I'm using, so it goes by quicker. So I'm starting by wetting my hair because I do nothing on dry hair. It does not work for my hair texture. That's for some people, but it doesn't for me. So this is just water in a spray bottle here. Oh yes, I always get life when I wear my fro. Y'all just don't know. I'm gonna take my jewelry off because it's not real and it will tarnish with the stuff I'm about to put on my hair next. I know I said I was gonna do a voiceover, I still might. Okay, but I just wanna talk right now. When I don't feel like talking anymore, AKA when my husband comes in and I don't wanna talk, when somebody's in the house, we're gonna voice over. Oh yes, so much life right now. Yes, yes, yes. I just wanna pick it out. I don't wanna put anything in it, but I'm gonna put something in it. This is the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. This stuff is the best leave-in conditioner I've ever used in my hair. It really gives my hair texture. Sorry, it's the bottle, I promise. It gives my hair so much texture, you have no idea. And it smells amazing. And supplement with other products, obviously, but it's amazing. Take a little more, because my hair soaks up product like nobody's business. So you can already see if you look closely. With that alone, it would work really well, but it's just a nice base for everything else. And I just simply pull and pull because I like to stretch my hair out. And my hair shrinks. So I'm always pulling. I'm never doing this unless something's just out of place and I need to do that. Okay, I'm gonna take what's left and just squeeze my hands now on it so I don't waste any product, and then pull. You can use a comb, or I've never gotten used to use a comb. I've always used my fingers, so that's what I use. All right, I'm gonna take some serum now. This is from Camille Rose. I've never used these products before. The next 4 things I'm gonna show you, so we're gonna see how this works. This is the Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. Hopefully this can be used on dry hair. I have no idea. All of these hair products came from Walmart, by the way. Everything, including the honey. I've just actually been using that one a long time, or a long while. I promise I'm not weak. My hands are just greasy, okay? I literally need a pair of pliers for this thing. Okay, I actually might need husband now. I can't get this open. I mean, does this not open? It's probably not the best move. I just cut the tip off. But that's not cool. It's coming out of the bottom. I'm still about to use it. I mean, it wouldn't open. I'm gonna put this everywhere. That's why I don't film when somebody's in the house. You hear all that noise? And literally, I just do this until all the white stuff is gone. You can see my curls forming. A little. Making sure I don't have any dry pieces, because that will mess up everything. That's it for the look for hair and makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know how you like it in the comments. If you've ever tried these products before, that's makeup and hair stuff. Also, rate the video, subscribe to my channel if you have not. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss anything I post. Talk to you soon. Also, don't forget to check out my luxury channel. Link to that down in the description bar. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.